You feel happy inside, but you can only say, I'm fine. You feel angry, but all you know is, I'm not happy. You feel sad, but you just say, I'm okay.
Your feelings are rich and complex, but your English words are boring and flat. You can't express what's really in your heart.
Today, we're fixing that. We're teaching you how to express every feeling in English. Happy, sad, angry, scared, excited, everything.
This is Express Your Feelings in English. Let's get emotional.
Hey everyone. I'm James.
And I'm Sophie. Welcome to Talk Fluent. Today's lesson is about emotions, feelings, and how to express them naturally in English.
Being able to express your feelings is crucial for real communication. It's how you connect with people.
We'll cover the 6 basic emotions: happy, sad, angry, scared, surprised, and disgusted. Plus, we'll teach you different levels of each emotion.
Ready to express yourself?
Let's start. Expressing happiness. Let's start with happiness, the most popular emotion.
Level 1, Basic Happiness. I'm happy. Simple and clear.
Level 2, more happiness. I'm really happy. Or I'm so happy.
Level 3, Strong Happiness. I'm thrilled. I'm delighted. I'm overjoyed.
You can also say, I feel great. I feel wonderful. I feel fantastic.
For temporary happiness, say, this makes me happy. Or, that makes me smile.
When something good happens, you say, I'm excited. Or, this is amazing.
Show happiness with phrases like, I can't stop smiling. I'm on top of the world. I'm walking on air.
Happy phrases. I'm happy. I'm really happy. I feel great. This makes me happy. I can't stop smiling.
Expressing sadness. Now, sadness. Sometimes you need to express this emotion too.
Level 1, Basic Sadness. Direct and simple.
Level 2, Stronger Sadness. I'm very sad. I'm really sad. Level 3, Deep Sadness. I'm heartbroken. I'm devastated. I'm miserable. You can say, I feel down. I feel low. I feel blue.
When something makes you sad, say, this makes me sad. Or, I'm upset about this.
For temporary sadness, I'm feeling sad today. Or, I'm not in a good mood.
Express crying with, I feel like crying. Or, I want to cry.
Sad phrases. I'm sad. I'm very sad. I'm heartbroken. I feel down. This makes me sad. I'm upset. I feel like crying.
Expressing anger. Anger is a strong emotion. Here's how to express it.
Level 1, Mild Anger. I'm annoyed. I'm irritated. Level 2, Clear Anger. I'm angry. I'm mad. Level 3, intense anger. I'm furious. I'm enraged. I'm livid.
You can say, "This makes me angry," or "I'm frustrated with this."
When someone makes you angry, say, "You're making me angry." Or, "I'm angry at you."
For situations, say, "This situation is frustrating," or "I can't stand this."
Express losing patience with, "I'm losing my patience." Or, "I've had enough."
Angry phrases.
I'm annoyed. I'm angry. I'm furious.
This makes me angry.
I'm frustrated.
I can't stand this. I've had enough.
Expressing fear. Fear is natural. Here's how to express it. Level 1, mild fear. I'm nervous. I'm worried. Level 2, clear fear. I'm scared. I'm afraid. Level 3, intense fear. I'm terrified. I'm frightened. I'm panicking. You can say, "This scares me." Or, "I'm afraid of this."
When anxious about future, say, "I'm worried about tomorrow," or "I'm nervous about the test."
Express physical fear with, "My heart is racing." Or, "I'm shaking."
For sudden fear, "That scared me," or "You frighten me."
Fear phrases. I'm nervous. I'm scared. I'm terrified. This scares me. I'm worried about tomorrow. My heart is racing. That scared me. Expressing surprise. Surprise happens suddenly. Here's how to express it. Basic surprise. I'm surprised. Wow. Stronger surprise. I'm shocked. I'm amazed. Extreme surprise. I'm stunned. I can't believe it. No way.
Positive surprise. What a pleasant surprise. This is unexpected.
Negative surprise. I didn't expect this. This is shocking.
Quick reactions. Oh my. Really? Seriously? Are you kidding?
Surprise phrases. I'm surprised. Wow. I'm shocked. I can't believe it. No way. What a pleasant surprise. Really? Seriously?
Expressing disgust. Disgust is when something is unpleasant or gross.
Basic disgust. That's gross. That's disgusting.
Stronger disgust. That's revolting. That's horrible.
Physical reactions. That makes me sick. I feel nauseous.
About food. This tastes terrible. I can't eat this.
About situations. This is awful. I hate this. Quick reactions. Yuck. Gross. Disgust phrases. That's gross. That's disgusting. That makes me sick. This tastes terrible. This is awful. Yuck.
Mixed feelings. Sometimes you feel multiple emotions at once.
Happy and sad. I'm happy but also a little sad. Mixed feelings.
Excited and nervous. I'm excited but nervous at the same time.
Angry and hurt. I'm angry and hurt. Or, I feel betrayed.
Confused feelings. I don't know how I feel. Or, my emotions are all over the place.
Conflicted. I'm torn. I have mixed emotions about this.
Mixed feeling phrases. I have mixed feelings. I'm excited but nervous. I'm happy but sad. I don't know how I feel.
How to ask about feelings. Now, how to ask others about their feelings.
Basic question. How do you feel? Or how are you feeling?
Specific questions. Are you okay? Are you all right? What's wrong?
Deeper questions. Is something bothering you? Do you want to talk about it?
Show concern. You seem sad. You look upset. Are you feeling better?
After sharing feelings. Thanks for sharing. I understand. That makes sense.
Asking phrases. How do you feel? Are you okay? What's wrong? Is something bothering you? You seem sad.
Responding to feelings. When someone shares their feelings, respond with empathy.
For happiness. I'm happy for you. That's wonderful. Congratulations.
For sadness. I'm sorry to hear that. That must be hard. I'm here for you.
For anger. I understand why you're upset. That would make me angry too.
For fear. Don't worry. It'll be okay. You'll be fine.
For surprise. I know, right? Can you believe it? Amazing.
Response phrases. I'm happy for you. I'm sorry to hear that. I understand. Don't worry. It'll be okay. I know, right?
Body language and tone. Feelings aren't just words. Body language and tone matter.
When happy, smile. Use upbeat tone. Speak with energy.
When sad, your voice becomes quieter. Slower. More gentle.
When angry, your voice gets louder, sharper, more intense.
When scared, your voice might shake. You speak quickly or hesitantly.
Match your body language to your words. Don't smile while saying you're sad.
Your tone tells the truth even more than your words.
Let's review all the emotions.
Happy. I'm happy. I'm thrilled. I feel great. I'm excited. Sad. I'm sad. I'm heartbroken. I feel down. I'm upset. Angry. I'm annoyed. I'm angry. I'm furious. I've had enough. Scared. I'm nervous. I'm scared. I'm terrified. I'm worried. Surprised. I'm surprised. I'm shocked. I can't believe it. No way.
Disgusted. That's gross. That's disgusting. I can't stand this.
Mixed feelings. I have mixed emotions. I'm torn. I don't know how I feel.
Asking about feelings. How do you feel? Are you okay? What's wrong?
Now you can express any emotion in English clearly and naturally.
That's it for today. Thanks for watching.
Your challenge. Tomorrow, express one real feeling in English. Say it out loud. I'm happy. I'm tired. I'm excited. Whatever you actually feel.
Then comment below which feeling you expressed.
If this helped you, hit that like button and share it with friends learning English.
Subscribe to Talk Fluent for more practical English lessons.
Remember, expressing feelings makes you human. Don't be afraid to share. See you next time. Bye.